Hi everyone, welcome back. So you saw the first video of how I cut these down, I hope. If you haven't, go back and watch it if you're curious. Now I am going to be covering the covers so that I can decorate them. And I think what I'm going to do is, do I want to just quickly measure this off? I totally could. Yeah, I think I do. In fact, let me grab my scissors. I know for this whole DIY section that I'm doing, segment, we're at a different spot in the house. We are not on my desk. So what I want to do is I definitely think, just for ease of use, this is wrapping paper that I got a long time ago, a very long time ago. And I think what I need to do, because I'm just going to be doing this part, is I'm going to cut there. Actually, do I want it to overlap? I think I do. I think I do. So this piece is gonna work. Going to work. So if I go to this side and then cut it about here, where I'm thinking. Let's do that. Where's my line? Let's do it about right there. Perfect. And then let's see how this is going to line up. So I want it there. All right, so I'm going to take my glue stick, and this is the Elmer's Craft Bond Extra Strength. Extra Strength. This is not a frugal use of glue at all. And then I'm going to go down here like this, like so. Smooth that down. Then, once that is smoothed down, I'm going to open this cover and I'm going to switch that out of the way. Whoop, whoop. And then we are going to smear more glue. I know it feels like a lot of glue, but we want it to hold. I'll fold this over, fold this one over. This is actually the first time I have covered one of these, so we'll see. I've watched a bunch of them on YouTube, but this is the first time I have covered one. Work out those bubbles. That looks really, really good. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to put a piece on the inside as well. I feel like I should have done the inside first. Or could I just, no. Well, shoot. Do I want to do the inside now? Decisions. Decisions. Okay, so if I did do the inside, I want to go right to there. And then that's my end spot there. So I feel like I need to trim this entire thing up. So let's start here. Let's do this cut. Line that up there. Perfect. So that is going to line up right there. Is that one straight too? That one's pretty straight, but not really. So let's take just a smidge. Just a smidge. And then let's clean up this too. And then let's just see how much. So if we go there, it's just going to be another smidge. So if I put that down, let's try this. Was that the smidge that we needed? Pretty close. It just needs a hair. Just a hair. A sliver, if you will. Okay, so let's go ahead, put glue down here, and I think on the next 3 that I do, I will be definitely putting down this inside cover first, so then it pulls over the top. So then we've got right there, and right there, yes. Okay. Fold that back over. I like that. Do I do the back cover too? I probably better, right? So if I want to do back cover and back cover, I'm wondering too if I can lay this down and do a two out of one. I don't know if it's possible, but I'm going to try. So if I pop out, this is all experimental. This is how I like to do things. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. So what I'm thinking is those are the right size-ish. They need to come down just a tiny bit. And then as far as sizes for the inside, we are looking at right there. So let's go ahead. Let's line this up. Over here. Looking good on this side. Give that a good score. And then I'm going to scooch this over, and I'm actually going to line up here and here. That should line up, unless I needed to get a wee bit off the top. No, that should work. Let's do, I'm just going to do a tiny bit. Okay, let's get the glue down. We're doing the inside of the back cover first. Get that all lined up so that when we put the front cover on, make sure I don't have any residual glue right there. Okay. Now, I want this to overlap. So, I'm going to go there. And then I think I'll do about right there. Let's go ahead, line this up right there. Perfect. And then how far over? Hold on. I feel like I'm doing this all backwards. Doesn't it feel that way? It feels like it's going all backwards. Okay, that should work. Let's try this. Open this back up. Oops, we're gonna do glue. I was going to cover all 4 of these, but I think I'm just going to do this one because I need to find a better way of doing this for sure. All right, so line it up there. Get it snug. Perfect. Open it up. And then and then I'm going to take this, whoops, make sure I am in screen. You are able to see this action. Oh, hey. Ha 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 ha, we used up a thing. It's always a good feeling. That's my goal for 2025, is to use up my stash. I have so many things, and it's not frugal to buy more if I've already got everything that I need. So that is my goal. So we're starting off good. Building a 2025 composition notebook and using our stash. Doesn't get much better than that. Okay. That cover, lay that down. Okay. Yes, I'm going to close this before I snag a fingernail on it. All right, so that is what we're looking like. Next up, stay tuned, decorating. So this is going to be the January, February, March. And I think I'm going to do like a winter theme. January, February, March. Yeah, I think I'm going to do a winter thing. So stay tuned and we will, we'll decorate next. Okay. I'll see you down in the comments. Whew. That was not as relaxing as I thought it was going to be. All right. See you down below. Love you. Bye.